Welcome to Mimic channel again. Today I am going to explain you about very interesting product. I think which has been first in India, which is emergency panel light. This is the emergency panel light. So what is panel light? You know what is panel light. Panel light is nowadays in all halls of your home, in your corporate offices. There are no tube lights, there are no bulbs, but the panel lights on the false ceiling has been fitted, and those gives very good illumination. But now the problem is when the power goes, the total blackout happens because there are no bulbs, there are no emergency light generally been incorporated in our homes or corporate office or in the factories. For that we have invented or we have developed one emergency panel light. It looks like normal panel light, LED panel light, which is being fitted on the false ceilings. So it doesn't make any change in your decor or your interior of any office or your home. The change is when the power goes. I'll show you now. The power is given to this 230 volt AC continuously is given. There is no need a particular switch to make it on or off. It gets on only when there is no power. So when the power goes, all the lights goes off and this light becomes on. I'll show you how it is. I am making the power off. Power off, light is on. When the power recovers, again the light is off. So this light only works when the power is not there. You don't need any another emergency lamp. It generally fits on your top, tabletop, or wherever you want to need. This is just fitted in your false ceiling, and it is a very powerful type of emergency panel light, around 12 watt, and the batteries inside are again powerful batteries, lithium ion batteries, which are the latest. The circuitry for over voltage, under voltage, then deep discharge, all the circuitry is provided inside this particular unit, inside this box at the back side. Also, you don't need specialized chargers for this. These chargers are also inbuilt, and these chargers are, in technical language, it is being called as CCCV charges. That means constant current, constant voltage charges with auto trip after it gets charged. So all the facilities are packed inside this panel light, which is being manufactured by Mimic, and it is now available all over India. If you want directly from me, you can write down to us on mimic.cells@gmail.com, or you can call me directly for any technical details, or if you want to order, you can call me on 9821252022. My name is Anand. Thank you.